Welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Friday Samuel, and in this channel I post make money online tips and strategies that will help you make a lot of money from the internet. Now please, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, I would love you to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you. I'll be taking you through how to create stunning AI talking avatars like this.
First night of Christmas a long time ago. The hillside was peaceful. The moon was aglow. The world couldn't know from what.
For your faceless YouTube channel. Yes, I'm going to show you how to create stunning AI talking avatars for your faceless YouTube channel. But please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and see how it works. Okay, head on to your Chrome browser and search for Dupdub AI. Right now, I'm going to click on the second pop-up right here and wait for it to load right completely. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click the second one here, and I'll allow it to load right. I'll allow it to load. Now this is the interface of Dupdub AI that you can use to create talking AI avatars, right? And as you can see, the interface, start a 3 days free trial today and no credit card required. Now if you are new on this platform, you have to create an account, and to get started with that, click on the three drop down at the right hand corner of this website and scroll down. You can see the login icon, and you can also see sign up, it's free. Click on it and allow it to load. You can either sign up by inputting your email address, choose a password that you can remember, and hit on get code. After clicking on get code, a 6-digit code will be sent to your email address, in which you have to go and copy and paste it back here. Now after doing that, just click on the sign up button and you are good to go. But if you are like me, you don't like stress, scroll down to where you see you can either sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account. Now I'm going to click on Google account, and I'm going to choose one of my Google accounts to get started. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to pick one of my Google accounts, right? Now just give it some time, and it's going to log you onto the interface of Dupdub AI. Now remember, I'm going to show you how to create realistic AI talking avatars. Now this is the interface of Dupdub AI. Now to get started, click on AI avatars there. Now click on photo avatar. Click on photo avatar and allow to load. Now you can see the Christmas, the Halloween feature there, and the presenter and the 2024 trends. So we are going to use the Christmas photo avatar, right? We are going to use it for this video. I could have used the Halloween, but I think I love the Christmas one. We are going to use it. So all you have, just click on it and it's going to show you to either preview it or apply. So click on apply, and our photo avatar has been successfully selected. Now coming to the AI voice over, choose a voice over, that is the voice you are going to be using. I think I love this one, Jensen Moore, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm not going to change, so I'm going to leave it. Now you have to type in your script here, and you have a limited of 500 words. So I'll head on to my notes and copy the prompt I already created for this video in the coastal kingdom of Zanzibar, right? So I'm going to copy out this prompt and head back to my and paste it there where it is using type your script. I'll paste my script here, guys, and
the style, this, sorry for that, I'm going to exit that. Okay, now the style, this is the tone you want your story to be like, your talking avatar to be like. Do you want it to be friendly, cheerful, hopeful, whispering, angry, sad, or shouting? So I'm going to choose cheerful, right? I'm gonna choose cheerful, so I'm going to hit on confirm, and you can increase the pitch or the speed if you want. And if you are done previewing your script, right, you are done previewing your script, you can hit on generate talking photo, and you just wait for it to do its magic, right? Dupdub AI is going to create an amazing talking photo for us. Now, isn't this cool, guys? If you have watched up to this point, guys, and you have not subscribed, please like, subscribe, and lay out your best comment. So now we're just going to wait for Dupdub AI to do its magic, right? We are going to wait for Dupdub AI to do its magic, and as you can see, it's generating our talking avatar for us, right? This is going to be really amazing, guys. So we are going to wait for it to load, right? It's halfway through, so we are going to stick to this video because we want to see our talking avatar, right? So we are just going to give it some time. It's loading up fast. We're going to give it a little bit of time to load up completely, and then we can watch what this AI actually done. Okay, I think it's almost finished. Yes, just a little time. Now, as you can see, guys, the pop-up email that my talking avatar is done. So I'm going to head back to my project so that we can actually play this talking avatar for you guys to listen to. So as you can see, at the place of my avatar, you can see the ready icon there showing that my project is already done, guys. So I'm going to play this for you so that you can actually see the realistic talking avatar that I was talking about. So I'm going to click on it, and guys, watch the magic. So this is going to load up, and guys, you can actually hear it now.
In the coastal kingdom of Zanzi, tales of Naya, the mermaid guardian of the underwater city of Mbala, were told in hushed tones.
Guys.
Fishermen spoke of her radiant blue scales glimmering under the moonlight and her voice that could entrance even the hardest hearts. Mbala, hidden beneath the waves, was said to hold the secrets of the ocean's knowledge and treasures unimaginable to mankind. Naya had sworn to protect it, a duty passed down through generations.
This is the simplest tutorial you'll find on how to create a talking avatar. Please do well to subscribe for more. And when you are done, just hit on the download button here, and you save it to your files directly